Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Local Falcon for local keyword tracking, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Local Falcon website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address in the designated fields. Create a strong password and ensure it meets any specified requirements. After filling out the form, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to the terms, check the box to confirm. Next, click the Create Account button to submit your registration. You may receive a confirmation email from Local Falcon. Open your email inbox and find the email from Local Falcon. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Local Falcon website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard to set up your local keyword tracking. Locate the section for adding keywords or tracking locations. Enter the keywords you want to track in the appropriate field. Select the geographical area you want to focus on for tracking. Double-check your entries to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Once everything is correct, click the Save or Track button to start monitoring. Your local keyword tracking setup is now complete. You can return to the dashboard anytime to view your tracking data and insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.